Okay, this is your machine? Okay, this your we just had your birthday party?
Yeah.
You've been wanting this, haven't you? Okay, which Coke do you want? Which drink?
I totally want water.
You want a water? Okay, push water. It's this one. No, we gotta push it first. Push that one right there. Okay, now put in 3 of those. Because that's 25 cents, 50 cents, then one more. One more. 75 cents. Now push the green button.
Hey, got it.
Awesome. Let me see your water.
You gonna drink
Let me
it?
see your water. That's awesome. Good girl. Love your sheen. Turn
Okay,
around so we can see it.
You still thirsty?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
A little bit.
Okay, if you're a little bit thirsty, what do you want this time?
I want to go further.
Okay, push the button for it. All right, now put in 1, because that's only 25 cents.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
Now, push the green button.
Yes, that's
See,
awesome.
it works.
Awesome.
Wait, do you have...
That one. We had to put one more. It's 50 cents, so you gotta put one more.
Okay.
Go ahead and put one more.
This one?
Yeah, that one. Look at there.
It worked! I got Coke! Woo! Oh, let's leave it open.
Well, we can close it. Okay. Which one you want now?
I'm kind of want...
You want another juice box?
No, I want orangey.
Okay, well, we don't have enough money to get orangey. Okay, you gotta pull it back in. We don't have enough money to get that. We'll have to do something. Okay, we got a vending machine business here. So let's go to the back
Yeah.
and collect all our money. Open that up, Bean. Put it open.
I can't.
Okay, one problem with this thing is she can't, so adults gonna have to help. You hold the camera. Okay. Okay, look at there. Collect your money, Bean.
Yep.
How much money have you made?
I got one.
Uh-oh, that's one on the floor. 2 on the floor. You gotta get down and get them.
One.
Well, that's not a whole lot.
I got 2. I just saw 2.
Okay, put them back up here. Okay. So you want that orange drink?
Yeah.
Push that orange drink.
This one?
It's the bottom one, yeah. Okay, now put in 4.
4.
Mm-hmm.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
1.
Now what?
One more. You gotta put in 4 of them. 2.
Okay.
We gotta put in 4 of them. Put in 2 more. 3. You gotta put in 1 more. 4. All right, now push the green button. Okay, tell it give you your change back.
I don't
It
know.
stole your change. Hit the red button. Okay, give you your change back. All right, now get it all back. Okay, now close that change thing up. Okay, now hit the orange drink again, which is that one. Okay, now put 4 in there. 1, 2, 3. But one more. Don't push it yet. One more. 4. Yeah, them's expensive, aren't they? Yeah, push it. See what it'll do. Look at there. Give it to you.
Wait.
Cool. Okay. All right, now what? You ain't drank one of them yet.
Yeah.
Them are expensive. Are they worth it?
Mhm.
Is it worth it?
Yeah. So good.
Is it so good?
Yeah, especially good.
Especially
Okay.
good? Okay, what do you want now?
I kind of want Coke because I like Coke.
Okay. I know. Well, you got to put 2 in there.
This one?
Yep.
Uh-uh.
Now put one more. Now hit the green button. There's your Coke.
Didn't get me. Okay.
Okay, how many have you got now? Look
I
at all these you got. Look at all these.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You're adding up.
Let's get 2.5.
Wait a minute, you gotta push the button first. It's gotta go in order. This thing's kind of fickle.
Yeah.
You know what fickle means? It means it
What?
does what it wants to do. Okay, it has to do a certain way. So you want, what do you want? You want that? Okay, you gotta put 4 in, and you don't have enough.
This
Okay,
one?
let's cancel that.
This one?
Yep. Okay, now what? Hit water or Coke or juice box because you don't have enough to get that one. Which one you want? This one, or this one? Okay, hit Coke. Hit that Coke button. Okay, now put your money in.
This one?
2 of them. 1.
This actually works, man.
1 more. It actually works, Dan. 1 more. There you go. All right, don't put no more. Now hit the green button. All right.
There we go.
You got a Coke. Look how much drinks you got. Okay. You gonna drink it?
Yeah.
Well, now watch. Now this is the problem. We're out of money, so we got to collect our money, and we're also gonna reload our Coke machine. So we're gonna turn it around, and we're gonna try to open the places. Let's see if you can open it with this coin. Put that coin up in there and see if it'll open it. See if you can open it with that. Pull it. No.
Nope. Let's you.
Let's see it background. All right, you hold this and I'll get it open again.
Okay.
All right, this is the bad thing about this thing is adults have to open it. Okay, get your money out, Bean.
I got a lot.
How much money? We make a lot.
I don't know.
All right.
Got
Is
it.
that all of it? Stick your hand in there, make sure. Yep, that's it.
Nope.
Okay, now we got to open the top and we got to reload this thing. Hold on a minute.
I can.
There we go. So we got to load it up. You know how to load it? Yeah. You know which one to put that in? Yep. Here's another one. Under Coke. Yeah. Well. Okay, somebody's gonna be getting the wrong thing. Okay. Okay. Well, she's got the wrong thing in there. So let's see if it'll work. I don't know. It don't look. It's gonna go in. Hold on a minute. So, oh, this is gonna hold it up. Okay. All right. Let's go in here and let's order waters. Put 4 of them in there. Hit water. No, that's the wrong one. Carry that out. Hit water for that one. Okay, now put 3 in there. Put 3 coins in there.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
I love this, guys.
You love this, guys? You do?
I never got one before.
How long you been wanting this sheen?
Like 3 hours.
One more. All right, now push the green button. That'll give you your money back.
Nope.
Push that red button, make it give you your money back. All right, get your money out. Okay, now close it back.
I'm trying
It's a little hard for little kids to operate. Okay.
So I got one. I got one. Okay, let's try.
Okay, let's just see if it'll work with that one. Let me help you real quick. I just want to go through this real quick. One. Put them on in there.
Okay.
Two. All right, you put one in there. Now hit the green button. Aha.
Nope.
Hit one more. Well, I think it's messed up because we put the wrong Coke in there. So how do we fix that at this point? Well, you gotta open up the back, turn it over, and shake it, and it'll come out.
Let them go.
Anyway, we're gonna go let her birthday balloons go for her birthday party. Anyway, say bye, Bean.
Bye.
Say happy birthday, Bean.
Happy birthday.
How many years old are you today? Or how many years old are you? 4 years old? Just turned 4 years old.